Hey, what's up guys, Soldier Knows Best here. So another day and another unboxing, but today I'm unboxing the OnePlus 7 Pro, but in their new special edition almond color. So all the internal specs and things like that remain the same, but this phone will only be coming in one variant. And this version does have 8 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of that fast HFS 3.0 storage and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, and everything else remains the same as far as what you get with the OnePlus 7 Pro. But getting back to the unboxing, inside we do have a red USB-C cable, and also we have the Warp 30 charging wall adapter. So this Warp charging can get you up to 50% of battery life in just 20 minutes, and I use it all the time, and it is incredibly fast and useful. But also inside of the box with all the paperwork, we do have this clear case that you can put on your phone to protect it. All right, so now just getting back to the phone, we're gonna get this thing unwrapped, and I have to say that this color looks nice. Now, I don't know if I like it more than the Nebula Blue color, but it is something different because the almond color on the back is a glossy finish, but it is still going to be glass, and it does have a nice kind of I would say orange or sunshine glare to it when you do have the light bounce off of it. So I think it does look really good. And then also I like the gold trim around it, and also I like the gold trim that's around the camera bump as well. So all of that adds to a very nice kind of touch to this color. And so taking a quick look around the phone, on the left hand side you have the volume rocker, and on the right hand side you have some quick toggles to be able to go between mute and silent, and also ring. And then also you have the power button below that, and at the bottom you will find a USB-C port, and also the SIM card tray, and also one of the 2 speakers that are on this phone. And as you probably guessed, there is no headphone jack and also no micro SD card slot. All right, so just fast forwarding through most of the setup process, I'm going to show you just me setting up my fingerprint with the in-display fingerprint scanner. So this works incredibly well. It's probably the best that I've used on the phone so far. It's really fast and has a bigger surface area, and you can see here once I got fully into the phone how fast it works. But just taking a look at the software briefly, this is the Oxygen OS running on top of Android 9, and it's a very fluid and fast operating system, and that speed really is complemented by this display, which can run at 90 Hertz. So it's really something I can't show on camera, but it is a really smooth, and I just keep saying smooth, but it is a smooth experience with the software and this display being combined together. And so the software has improvements like a built-in screen recorder, and also their new Fanatic gaming mode and other things, but I cover all of that in my full review, so you can watch everything about the software in that video. And then the other big thing about this phone is that it does have a pop-up camera. So the front-facing camera pops up out of the body of the phone, and it also has that gold finish around the camera. And so this allows you to have a full display on the front with no notches and no cutout cameras, nothing like that. And then on the back you have their new triple camera setup that has a 3x telephoto lens that can get you nice and close to your subject, and also does have an ultra wide angle camera, so now you'll be able to get a lot of stuff in your photo. And so here's a side-by-side between the Nebula Blue color and also this new almond color, and I think you really can't go wrong, but I'm still leaning towards the blue because I just kind of find that just really catches my eye. But this almond does have just a nice subtle clean look to it, which I really like. And then when you take this phone outside, you can just see how the light shimmers off of it. So it's just a nice finish that OnePlus has been able to perfect over these years, and they do a really good job in making their phones stand out and just having a really nice look to them. And so this phone is available starting today, and you can get it directly from OnePlus, and it will cost you $699. All right, so that wraps up my unboxing of this new almond OnePlus 7 Pro. I am recording this outro using the front-facing camera on this phone that's recording in 1080p. But anyway, make sure you do follow me on all my social media networks and subscribe to me here on YouTube, and watch my full review of this phone, which will be linked down below in the description, where I go in detail with everything that this phone could do. It's one of my favorite phones that I've ever used. But anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.